What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing off my Nerf guns. My other Nerf guns are on the table. So first I'll be showing off my Darttac smooth shot. Okay. This is how many darts it takes. It takes 4 Nerf darts. Yeah. So then I shot it on my camera, but I know you didn't see it because I shot in the wrong place. So I'm gonna go get my disruptor.
Look at her sister.
So this is Nerf Disruptor. Let me just put all the bullets in. It's basically semi-automatic pump action. Really good like starter gun. Disruptor. I'll rate it better than the Storm. Okay. Wait, what? I got sort of jammed randomly. What? It jammed again? Okay. This. That's it. I shot 6 darts. These are the darts I shot.
Can I see?
Okay, now I'm gonna go get my trio. And here you go. Look at this gun. It's amazing. Oh, this dart doesn't work. Oh. Okay, good. So it takes 3 bullets. This is how you reload it. You just put it down. Right. So you basically shoot, put it down, bam. Ready to action. Shoot the camera. Wait. Okay, good. All bullets shot. That's all my Nerf guns. See you tomorrow, guys, and I'll do a video of my X shotguns. I don't have any boom core because. Why should I get boom core though? My camera's really dirty now. Bye bye.